couple of years ago, my husband was involved in a very horrific motorcycle accident.
And I was hit head on by a man going around an 18-wheeler in no passing zone.
Need a Dallas injury lawyer? Find the best at www.dallas-injurylawyer.com. At DallasInjuryLawyer.com, watch video profiles of families that recovered from a tragic accident. Download a free ebook on how to recover from a Dallas injury, or watch educational videos from injury attorney Kay Van Way. Dallas-Injurylawyer.com. The road to justice starts here.